Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna show you how to fix the laptop keyboard auto pressing problem so you don't actually have random keys typing by themselves. So first, simply restart your PC, because sometimes a simple restart can actually clear out any temporary glitches causing the issue. Now another thing you can also try is simply clean your keyboard. So dust, crumbs or any debris under your keys can actually stop the key from registering. So use compressed air or gently tap the key to dislodge anything stuck. Now if it's still not working, you can also try updating or reinstalling your keyboard driver. So to do this, simply press Windows plus X, then go to Device Manager, then Keyboards. From here, you will then have to right click your keyboard and choose Update Driver. So if that doesn't help, you can also try uninstalling it, then restart your PC. So Windows will then reinstall the driver automatically. Now finally, try scanning for malware or key logging software, as these can sometimes cause random key presses. So after these steps, your keyboard should finally return to normal. So that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.